Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Microsoft Word. So first, go ahead and select the image that you want to crop. You'll see it become selected. Now access the cropping tool. You have two options. You can go to the picture format tab in the top and then find the crop option, or you can right click on the selected image and tap on crop. Once you've activated the crop tool, you'll see a black cropping handles appear around the image. And to crop a single side, click and hold and drag one of the middle handles inward from the edge that you want to trim. You can do the same for other sides if you want to. And when you're satisfied with the adjustments, press the enter key on your keyboard and your image will be now cropped. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.